Imagine millions of targeted eyes on your brand, the actual age segment you want to be in front of that can be geo-targeted in the desired cities or neighborhoods in the globe who share preferences such as art, food, and so on. Well, at Chefontour, we've got you covered. I'm Chef Charles Webb, and I create engaging and authentic digital content with some of the most dynamic storytellers, breaking bread and listening to their successes through their challenges, and of course, hearing about the genuine vibe of their city. Think fashion to gastronomy, street art to music, tech, sustainability, digital nomads, many of the real lifestyle categories that shape the world around us, all with the panoramic backdrop of their hometown. I partner with brands that are aligned with this journey to amplify their visibility and voice in the most organic way globally, and of course, the millions upon millions of eyeballs via impressions targeted to achieve those goals. Together, we can achieve these milestones and so much more while creating real engagement. There are no limits to this collaboration. Let's set up a call to understand your needs and make magic happen together. #Chefontour.